Welcome back everybody. Welcome to my front room. I've just rolled out a bit of the track plan for TYNE dock and just trying to put in context the signal box. So this is the signal box I'm attempting to scratch build, and this is the track plan. So just here is where the signal box is situated, and this is the track out of the dock, which curves round and rises up to TYNE dock shed eventually. Obviously out of picture here. There's quite a busy junction in terms of different sidings, different timber yards, and all the exchange sidings here, I imagine, for the dock. And then we have two other lanes that go out of the dock a separate way. So to the right of the TYNE dock bottom single box is the lines that go to more and more sidings, but eventually comes down to the iron ore loading stage, which is what I'm building here. Right, I've just sanded the nibs off the back of these 3D printed windows. Basically the nibs are from supports because I printed them that way up. If I printed them that way up there wouldn't have been any, but it'd taken longer. So it's just a matter of carry on and gluing these together now. I'm going to get a straight edge. Light sand to where the glue is. Industrial grade Superglue. Normally I do this with solvent cement, but this is thermoset material, so I'm not sure it's going to work with it. So let's see if we can offer this up. Straight edge at the front. Sorry, you're not going to be able to see this because it's going to be the other side. this to try and get something straight. That's a lot better now. So I made a slight modification here by gluing in a small strip to make this upright and a little bit beefier. Now for the other end, this piece will go on here. He's sanding down to make this one a little bit thinner because otherwise it looks too bulky. And then I've cut this window frame out here, and there's a small amount of wall and then a doorway that will fit in here. .3D printed windows, designed on Tinkercad. And that's the image of the windows. Okay, so I thought I'd give you an overview where I'm at the moment. So these are the 3D printed windows assembled onto the plastrut with superglue, give them the structure and they're superglued together. This is a cardboard mock-up that I've made, and I've glued on here. It's just a printed piece of A4 paper with these images from Tinkercad of the 3D printed windows. And it's set probably about the right height, probably a little bit low. Bearing in mind this was sinking to the ground 3mm. So I've raised the windows up a bit and looking at various images and photos, etc. I've got them up a bit more now. Now bearing in mind that's shoulder height, but by the time he's 3mm up, he'll be able to peer into those windows no problem. This is a piece of plasticard, and I put on here some double-sided tape. I'm just going to tape this down onto here to use this as a template, and I'm going to cut the windows out. So these will just fit in, and then I'll start on the brick work as well. So this is going to be a lamination of thin plasticard and brickwork.